In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an AnyDesk account step by step. If you use AnyDesk for remote access, support, or managing devices, having an account makes it much easier to organize your setup and get started properly. This is a quick and simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and what details to enter. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the AnyDesk application on your computer. Once AnyDesk is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the menu icon with the 4 lines. This opens the main menu where you can access different options and settings. From the menu, click on Settings. The Settings area is where you can manage your account and app preferences. After the Settings page opens, scroll down on the left-hand side until you find My Account. Click on My Account to open the Account section. Here, you'll see the option to register a new account. Click Register Account to begin the sign-up process. Now you'll need to fill in your details. Enter your name, your email address, and create a password for your AnyDesk account. Make sure your email is correct, because this is the account you'll use to log in and manage your profile later. Also choose a strong password so your account stays secure. After you've entered all the information, click Register Account one more time to complete the process. AnyDesk will then create your account, and that's it. You're successfully signed up. From here, you can start using your AnyDesk account to manage your remote access setup more efficiently. And that's how you create an AnyDesk account in just a few steps. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.